The Aquos S2 runs Sharp's Smile X on top of Android 7.1.1 Nougat. Having not had a lot of experience with Sharp phones in the past, we were curious to see how it stacked up. Smile X, for the most part, isn't particularly intrusive or overbearing like some of the other Android skins out there. One could even blame it for being simplistic, to the point of wondering why Sharp bothered designing it at all instead of just going with stock Android design. The launcher is a good example of this, which is very basic. It has the same iOS-style app layout that everyone loves to hate. That is to say, there is no application drawer and all the app icons permanently sit on the home screen. In terms of customizability, you can change the animation between page turns, icon density and whether to have the icons bottom to top or top to bottom. There is also something called Highborn, which is a page to the left of the first home screen, where you can search for things and get app suggestions, again, similar to Spotlight on iOS. And that's pretty much it. Home screen, Sharp Aquos S2 review 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 home screen. We eventually ended up installing Google Now Launcher because we didn't like how the default launcher added boxes around some icons while left others alone or had app shortcuts when you pressed and held on certain icons. Also, we kinda like having an app drawer. The default launcher also had buggy weather widgets that just wouldn't pull weather data no matter how much we tried, and just kept displaying NA in large font. Moving on. We noticed the notification shortcuts have been reskinned but didn't have any particularly new functionality. Same for the multitasking or overview screen, which had MIUI, or old iOS, like large side-scrolling app windows with an option to close all of them. You can choose to minimize this to a smaller window that pops up at the bottom of the screen instead of taking up the entire screen. The Settings app has also been redone completely, with fewer options on the main page but clicking on each load up additional options within. Among the list of interesting features here includes an option to enable dual apps feature, but seemingly only for QQ and WeChat, a screen record feature and an option to make the fingerprint sensor to double up as navigation key. Short tap goes back, long tap goes home and a slide opens recent apps.